Куда?
Да они не понимают вот этого.
То есть это как необходимая часть.
Да, необходимая часть.
Вот это костер мы сделали после того, как мы искупались. Вот, и костер удался. Ваня собирал ветки тут, другие тоже помогали. Там. Ну, в конце концов, костер удался. И ездил за спичками на заправку. Вот, и взял там салфетки из Тим Хортонса, и они помогли нам. Это самое.
No, he got napkins from Tim Hortons
Yeah.
to ignite the fire.
Yeah.
Nice. No, guys, very good company, very enthusiastic. It's very pleasant to have people who are, you know, kind of motivated, who go out of their way. You know.
Yeah, these things can burn your clothes.
They can burn your beard too. So you gotta be careful.
See, the rock was all covered in snow.
Yeah, now it's all
And
like,
then
yeah.
even like ice here still. Right here is
So
ice.
how's everyone feeling? Is anybody shivering? Is anybody cold? See?
Мой ас.
Yeah, I can relate to that. Nice.
Yeah, you have to find the dry things if you want to make a fire.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's very hard to do it when it's when the logs are wet.
Birch bark. Yeah, bark and everything that is up like that, standing up. Nothing that's on the ground.